Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up session recordings for landing page SEO tests, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining the goals of your landing page SEO tests. Clarify what specific metrics you want to improve, such as bounce rate or conversion rate. Choose a session recording tool that best fits your needs. Popular options include Hotjar, Crazy Egg, and FullStory. Sign up for an account with your chosen tool. Once you've accessed the dashboard, navigate to the Setup section. Generate a unique tracking code provided by the session recording tool. Copy this tracking code to your clipboard. Log in to your website's content management system. In the Site Settings or Header section, locate the area for adding custom scripts. Paste the tracking code in the appropriate section. Save your changes and publish the updates to your website. Visit your landing page to ensure the tracking code is correctly installed. Return to your session recording tool dashboard to confirm data collection is active. Choose the specific landing page you want to test for recordings. Set parameters to filter the session recordings effectively. You can specify session durations or user interactions that matter most. Begin capturing user sessions to gather valuable insights. Monitor the system for any recorded sessions over time. Review user behaviors by watching the recorded sessions. Look for patterns such as where users click, scroll, or become frustrated. Analyze the data to identify which elements of your landing page need improvement. Use insights from these recordings to make data-driven optimizations. Implement changes based on the findings from your session recordings. Retest your landing page to evaluate the effectiveness of optimizations. Continue monitoring recorded sessions to ensure ongoing improvements. Document any changes and their impacts on your SEO performance. Keep iterating on your strategy based on user behavior and feedback. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.